We first started the Art of Donut in 2016,
My boyfriend, Miguel, he's a fourth generation baker.
and my family has bakeries in Mexico. So when I was little, I would go to the bakeries and play around with the dough, create different type of breads. And my family helped us at the beginning to create some recipes, and that's the base for them. But we have changed them a little bit.
One of the first challenges that we had when we first opened our food truck was figuring out how are we going to organize our orders, and we were really lucky to find Square. With Square, it's really easy to take orders online, over the phone, and here at the shop. We also check out customers either in their cars or in the line. And it's really easy to just grab your terminal or your iPad and just check them out, and then everything is pretty much done for them. We also use Square Online because like customers can place their order and then just select pickup or curbside. And I think that that's really, really time saving for us. We do a lot of special orders. We can send that invoice, they can double check that everything is okay, they know exactly when to pay and what are they going to pay. Reports from Square are really important for us. We normally track our sales, like our everyday sales and monthly sales, and of course annual sales. Whenever we have a new donut, we can check if it's selling, if it's not selling, so in that way we know exactly what is working and what is not working.
It's super easy to bring somebody on board. With Square Team Management, employees can add their availability in their phone, and then you can schedule from that, and they can see everything without having to go to the computer or text us or anything. Square Payroll is super easy to handle all the documents, the W-2s and I-9s, because they can just upload them and fill their information into their team app. Everything syncs with the time cards, and with Payroll, I can just do one click without going through each individual time card. We can be out traveling or doing whatever we need to do to manage the store just on our phones.
We have a lot of regular customers, but they have been with us for over 5 years. Square loyalty is really important. We have about 40,000 customers in our loyalty program. Whenever they reach 5 stars, they get all excited. They're thinking about what they're gonna get. They love it. Square has been growing with us, and every time that we need a new feature, it's there.
My favorite part is, I think, seeing all the customers and their happy faces. That's the best thing. That's what makes it worth it.